Hello friends! Today we are going to draw a super easy and cute car. So let's begin. First, we are going to draw two circles of equal size. You can, use a coin or a cap of a bottle, or you can draw freehand, and you can also use a compass to draw these circles. As I always say, draw with a pencil first and then make permanent with the marker. Remember to erase the pencil lines before coloring. Let's start the coloring. I am using orange color. I like orange color, but you can use yellow, blue, green, whatever color you like. For fun, you can also name your car. Like, I'm naming my car Santra. Santra is actually orange. Making slant lines with the white color so that it gives glare of a glass window. First we will color lightly with the blue color so that the white lines appear, and then we will darken the areas outside the white lines. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. Coloring with darker color along the outlines will give the painting, the art, more depth. Thanks for watching my video. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Vroom vroom.